workflow starts with these arrows, that is user areas, receive used input items, clean, wash and dry, check, inspect, assemble, pack, sterilize, check and store, issue and deliver user areas. External supplies being the sterile and clean supply as their links to clean supply, sterile and clean supply as the links to clean supply, waste disposal. So these units basically forms a one-way strip, and there are interdependent units that is coming from outside, such as outside to the waste disposal and to the issue delivery to the user areas. So once the user area gets it, they use it, and after they use it, they return it, receive used items, clean, wash, check, inspect, and the rest of the process follows as such. So this is a rotating process, and it repeats on and on continuously to maintain clean and sanitation of the clean, sterile environment of the hospital. So flow process. So Watson department gets the dirty receipt, bulk store their clean receipt, cotton gauge, the disassembly and instrument, gloves and rubberware, assembly, pre-sterile storage, sterilization, sterile storage, distribution. Before to distribution, it is the inspection. Okay. Receiving area. Used item from various departments of hospital are shifted to CSST for cleaning and sterilization. Ideally, items get soiled with blood or body fluid, should be decontaminated with sodium hypochlorite solution in user department itself before sending to CSST. Receiving area of CSSD should have access to outside through a window with a counter. Items are counted and received specially for instruments in tray. Thereafter, the instruments are inspected and blunt. Unsuitable instruments are segregated and discarded. Necessary entries are made for records. Thereafter, the items are shifted to cleaning area. Cleaning area. Here the instruments are washed either manually or through machines. For manual washing, sinks with water supply and working counters are organized with the detergents. Ultrasonic washers in a washing machine are used for cleaning surgical instruments. Converts the high frequency sound waves into mechanical vibrations that produces small bubbles to burst on the internal surfaces of the instruments and dislodge the waste particles. Tunnel washer is a highly sophisticated and expensive machine that allows totally hands-off processing instrument to perforate and mesh bottom tray coming from the operating room and other departments through ultra or washing, rinsing, ultrasonic cleaning and drying areas. After the instruments are washed, they are dried in oven dryers and shifted to packing areas. So what is packing area? Clean and dry instruments are packed before sterilization so that they are not contaminated while handling. After they are sterilized, most of the instruments are packed in trays. They are wrapped with a double layer of cotton cloth. Paper envelopes are also available for packing the instrument. These are equally effective for expansive nature, as well as the plastic bags are used for packing the items for ethos sterilization. Sealing machines is used for sealing the plastic bags in which the instruments are packed. After packing and sealing, the instruments are shifted for sterilization. Sterilization is done either by two methods: steam sterilization by the autoclaves or gas sterilization by ethylene dioxide machines. Autoclaves. Steam under pressure is most cost-effective method for sterilization. Autoclave generates the steam at the temperature of 121 degrees centigrade under 15 pounds of pressure. Flash sterilization, this is a special type of autoclave that can very short sterilization cycle of 3 to 5 minutes because of its ability to raise the temperature to 132 degrees centigrade. Ethos sterilization, the items like cardiac catheters and thermosensitive or can be sterilized through steam. Such items are sterilized by ethylene oxide gas sterilization. The ethos is an expansive and toxic gas. It absolute result to ensure that these items are made free of gas molecules before using them on a patient. This is achieved by subjecting the items to forced ventilation. Entire cycle may take from 8 to 12 hours. Store. After sterilization, items are temporarily stored in a clean store from where they are distributed to the other departments. It should be away from the receiving area and may comprise of window with a counter. That's called a distribution area. In modern hospital, there may be a separate lift for transporting the sterile materials back to the user departments. So this is one more time what happens: used items, transport, cleaning, disinfection, inspection, tray assembly, packaging, sterilization, sterile storage, back to transport. Staffing of CSSD. Staffing should be planned based on the following factors: 3 shift working times, messenger service, maintenance service, staff for 6 areas, leave and off duty. Staff. CSSD is usually manned by the following staff: managers, supervisors, CSSD technicians who operate the autoclaves and etho machines, CSD assistants perform the cleaning and packing, gauge, cutting, cotton ball making, etc. Clerk and storekeeping to manage the inventory and sterile stores, housekeeping staff. Staffing should be planned based on the following factors: average technicians for two technicians for 100 beds and one technical supervisor, one clerk for keeping the records, accounting and supply per shift, average of 4 attenders per 100 beds in all shifts, adequate number of cleaning attenders and transporters, one technician and two attenders should be stationed at each zone. One more time, the organogram of the working supervisor, say attender, technician, messengers, boiler attender, clerk and cleaners. Quality assurance, mechanical indicators, monitoring record time, temperature, humidity and pressure during sterilization cycle is prior important. Chemical device of sensitive chemicals or dye to monitor one or more parameter of sterilization cycle. Biological indicator to employ the principle of inhibition of growth of microorganisms of high resistance, or different indicators available in the quality assurance cycle. So they are mechanical, biological, chemical and mechanical, biological and chemical. Quality assurance. In order to ensure the quality of sterilization, the following measures are taken. Ensure the equipment to be fit in the autoclave temperature 121 degrees and to 132 degrees based on the requirement. Bovis tapes are fixed with every pack of the items to be sterilized. This tape changes the colors whenever the required temperature is attained. After the cycle, tapes are checked for the change of color. Indicators are also available for checking the quality of etho sterilization. Periodically, bacteriological tests are also done. A capsule containing the Bacillus Stereothermophilus and Bacillus subtilis are put along with the load for different for autoenclave and for ethos. These bacteria are considered most resistant to steam and gas respectively. After the cycle is over, these capsules are tested in microbiology lab for presence of live organisms. If there are no live organisms, indicates live was effective. Staffs who work especially in sterilization area, sterile store and distribution area should change slippers and their dresses, wash their hands before resuming the work. Role of CSSD manager. So, is the role varies from maintenance of repair of equipment, inventory management and supplies, ensure quality, proper distribution and transportation. Conclusion: in most healthcare facilities, CSSD plays a key role in providing items required to deliver quality patient care. A well-planned, well-managed, well-staffed CSSD can ensure an effective and infection-free environment of hospital and save valuable life and money. Thank you.